Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in web development with Hootsuite step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the significance of web development in today's digital landscape. Understand the role of Hootsuite as a powerful social media management tool. Create a Hootsuite account if you don't have one. Log into your Hootsuite dashboard to access its various features. Familiarize yourself with the Hootsuite interface to navigate efficiently. Research web development trends and best practices to stay informed. Use Hootsuite to follow influential web development accounts and industry news. Set up streams in Hootsuite to monitor relevant hashtags and topics related to web development. Engage with content from industry leaders by liking, sharing, and commenting on their posts. Utilize Hootsuite's scheduling feature to plan your own posts about web development. Create informative and engaging content that reflects your expertise or interest in web development. Analyze engagement metrics within Hootsuite to understand which types of content resonate most with your audience. Consider running targeted ads on social media to promote your web development services or content. Collaborate with other professionals in the web development community through Hootsuite. Join relevant Hootsuite groups or forums to network and learn from others. Stay consistent with your social media activity to build your presence in the web development field. Adjust your strategies based on feedback and analytics provided by Hootsuite. Monitor competitors in the web development space using Hootsuite to gain insights. Continue to educate yourself through online courses or webinars focused on web development. Keep your social media profiles updated with your latest projects or accomplishments in web development. Use Hootsuite to track hashtags related to web development job opportunities or projects. Engage with local web development meetups or events through Hootsuite's event features. Collect testimonials and showcase your work through social media to enhance credibility. Evaluate your progress regularly and adjust your investment strategy as necessary. Apply these steps consistently to establish a solid foundation in web development investment with Hootsuite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.